What is up, you guys? My name is Gabe Cruz, and we're here today at Woodward West in Tehachapi, California to open a box. Oh! 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 Oh!
Hover bike? Yo, you finally got me the hover bike.
All right, let's go, team. Right now, you're gonna see how fast the Braille team can put together a tri-scooter.
Oh, there's a note. Dear customer, first of all, thank you for the support of AODI brand, and though we print this letter, every word below contains our sincere heart. However, we cannot take special care, blah, 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 blah. Okay, cool, thank you.
Oh, you're dropping stuff, Ricky Ice.
Yeah, boy.
Let's get this.
Gabe, hold this up. Oh, body.
All right, where's the cap?
Can you pumping? What does this do? Can you pumping at speed?
Yeah, you
Oh, that raises the height, no? So this right here is the tri-scooter. I found it on Amazon. It is... What the heck is this thing called?
It's called Odd.
It's a tri-scooter, brother.
Oh. This right here is the AOD 3-wheel foldable scooter, swing scooter, tri-slider, kick, wiggle scooters, push drifting with adjustable handle for boys, girls, adult age 8 years old and up. This thing was $140 on Amazon. So what we're gonna do is go around here at Woodward West and show y'all what it's like to be an extreme tri-scooter athlete. Isn't that right, Ricky Glaza?
That is correct.
He's gonna put the glacier on the freeze and the freeze on the glacier. Oh!
See that?
He's shredding like never before! Yeah, bro! Oh! He is shredding! Yeah, this thing is sick.
That's actually pretty cool.
So I think we've done a video similar to this, but that is like the highest of quality that you can get. Oh, heck yeah.
Oh, heck yeah.
Oh!
Wow, that was pretty sketch. Running into this wave ledge.
Come on, give us a line, Dan.
Dude, the handlebars are falling off.
Oh!
I can't make it.
Yes, you can. You can no compliant.
Oh!
The handlebars still aren't tight.
Really?
They're falling.
Get my tool.
I'm giving it the quality check, make sure it's safe.
All right, guys. Do you think that this is safe for Uzi to go down these stairs? Leave it in the comments below. Aaron Hamaki did ollie over here, stomped it, didn't quite roll away. But I think going down the stairs on this Terry tri-scooter, I think it's gonna work out well for Uzi.
The Terry trike.
Dang, Chris, look at your steez, dude. He looks like a fish. Oh! I don't know where I'm going. Oh! All right.
Wait. Hey, what's up, Terry?
Oh my God. See,
Natural.
this is Dan taking initiative. This is what Dan was made for right here.
This is perfect. Prime Dan right here.
Hey, who's got a pole jam on it?
Nobody will die. Look at the handlebars.
We gotta tighten these things, brother.
I just tightened them.
Look at them. They're loose as can be.
You gotta set it to wombo.
They're set to loose.
Do these come out? These come out or are they secure? No, they're secure, right?
Secure.
Oh, grind it. Grind it, brother. Skip it. This is actually scary.
Got it. No, you got it.
Like, what if I fall forward?
You got it.
You got content. Let's go.
I just gotta lean really far back. Oh, Jesus.
You gotta go way
You got it.
No, it's terrifying.
No, you got it.
That's gonna be a no for me, dog. I could just see myself flying, face planting, knocking my teeth out. I do not want to go out on a Terry trike. It's all about finesse with the Terry trike, is what I'm... Oh, I'm carving. Am I majestic right now? This is sick. Look out! Oh! Yeah! I'm actually kind of scared good this high.
Keep going. You're doing great. To the top.
Oh! Dude, that was amazing, Dan.
Straight to the vert. All right, how does this work? I've never heard one of these. You just do that thing. Like this. What are you turning with, your feet or the handles?
The handlebars.
Oh, okay.
How are you doing this?
You gotta pump. Bend your
I'm
knees.
trying.
Hit a jump, Chris. Oh!
Why did I think that was gonna work?
Maybe one try. It's good for one try.
Who do you think, pole jam or nose bonk?
First tee.
Give you some. You know, like the Hot Wheels tracks?
You got it, right here.
Bro, like my face.
The Terry's coming for some teeth. I almost lost my teeth, and then
You almost got fully castrated by the wheel.
He almost did the nose bonk with this one right here.
Whoa!
Team effort right here.
Leg strength, Mo. Ow! 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 I'm okay. Chris, you won't lay under it.
I won't. How'd you know?
little Terry ride.
Oh my God. I'm gonna like this.
Just full fetal position. Oh!
Just terrifying.
Terry?
Please land it.
Oh!
Let's go for the Terry.
Are you for wheel?
Oh my God.
Hey, you got the one hand steez?
Of course.
One foot steez?
I'm gonna die, dude. Ow, I got shocked. Yep.
That was looking good. That was looking real good. Nice and light footed.
Terry.
Yep.
Ripping a Terry.
Oh!
Go to fakie, go to fakie.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Yeah, keep going!
Scary. Kind of scary.
Oh!
You going like on the top of the vert. Hey, if you want to be the coolest guy pulling up, you could pick one of these Terry trikes.
Nug made a good point. He said it's kind of like the ripstick version of a bike, which is like kind of true.
Easy, I'll give you $10 if you drop in on Resi.
That's not worth $10.
You said you would jump on the back of a great white shark for $75, didn't you?
Yeah, because I'm confident. I think I can swim faster. I think I can get away, but I don't think I can get away from dying on there.
Watch him do it.
Hey, we're in the kill zone right here. I just want you to know that.
You know how I know it's a good idea? Because he's going to see it. It's going to go down perfect. And he's going to be like, you know what? Honestly, I can do it.
Should I just do it?
Yeah!
Oh!
Terry, no! Terry!
Are you good? Please, talk to me.
I mean, it was looking
That was
pretty good.
doable, dude. Come on, Dan. Be the legend of Woodward forever. This is all you right now.
Let's go. Hey,
He said he'll do it for $10.
What?
Oh! You gonna pay him?
$10 for a send?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, just go from a
stall like
that.
Hey, you got to land it. You got to land
Hey, I
it. You got it.
What's your Instagram?
At KOLTON._.BARNES.
Let's get it. Wow.
Yeah, hey.
Is he going back?
I don't know if you...
Yeah, he wants the make.
Gabe. I don't know if you know how crazy this is. On that, I don't even... Personally, I didn't even write it yet because I think it's crazy. This is insane. Give that guy a follow, please.
Oh, Mowgli, he didn't even write it yet. He wrote it for 1 second to the stairs. He's like, yeah, I got it.
That was literally insane, dude.
Got it.
Oh my God! Yo! What? Oh my God!
Hey, I'm not trying to do that again.
That was amazing.
That's sketchy.
Hey, we got you the 5-5 Venmo right here. Let's get it.
That was amazing. See, that's why we came to Woodward.
Dude, when he went in initially, he's like almost like face planting. He handled it though.
That was awesome. He took one for the team, and it's not even his team.
That's a wrap. I don't know what else we could do more like gnarlier than that, honestly. That was mind blowing. I didn't think he was gonna actually try it, but he just sent it just like that.
That drop in on the Resi was absolutely insane, and I just want you to know, Ricky and Mowgli paid up. The guy got $10.
I paid 15.
You paid 15?
Oh, tip.
He got the $5 tip right there. Let's go. I literally have no idea how he did that. That was absolutely insane and amazing, and we are all very impressed. So, the Tri-Scooter, what else should we do on it? Should we take it back to the Braille house and shred it up and play an epic game of Team Skate? Let us know right down there. Some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And we want you all to learn how to skateboard. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. And one final thanks to Woodward West for having us out here this week. It has been a blast.